Pilz has been a leader and innovator in automation safety worldwide ever since we brought the first safety relay to market back in 1987. Since then, our engineers in Germany have continued to innovate new products designed to meet the continually evolving requirements of modern manufacturing. The spirit of that first safety relay design has stood the test of time, faithfully monitoring safety devices for many years, protecting employees and equipment in accordance with the highest safety standards demanded by law and by regulatory standards in every jurisdiction across the globe. While the humble safety relay remains very relevant today, they are also limited to simpler architectures, with more complex safety controllers and safety PLCs required for larger machines with more input and output options to accommodate multiple safety devices. These more complicated devices are up to the challenge, but they also require more engineering input and skill on the part of the user. OEMs, systems integrators, and end users all require staff who can understand the programming software in order to write the program, as well as troubleshoot and interpret feedback from the controller. Additionally, the expansion of safety relays or safety PLCs will invariably increase the amount of wiring during assembly. These additional steps increase the complexity of your project and therefore the time required to commission and troubleshoot your machine. As the manufacturing world continues to evolve into Industry 4.0, automated machinery continues to get more and more complicated to produce and implement on the shop floor. Pilz wants to work with you to reduce that complexity. We want to work hand in hand with you, our customer, to help you in producing tailor-made solutions for your specific application. We want to save you time and frustration during the assembly and commissioning process for your machine. We want to reduce the amount of time you spend wiring everything together. We want to deliver a simple but powerful solution that works right out of the blocks. We want to do the hard stuff to make your life easier. This is exactly why Pilz is excited to introduce to you our latest product, which is specifically designed with your custom project in mind. Pilz has taken the spirit of our original myPNOZ safety relay and made it yours. And that's why we call our latest product myPNOZ. The concept of myPNOZ is simple. You tell us what you want from your safety relay solution, and we put it together for you, sending you a final product that's ready to do what you need it to do right out of the box. No additional changes are required. You create, we build, you install. The engineering and validation for the product are handled right away, and you are shipped a product that works right out of the box, assembled and ready to wire. In addition, we live in Canada, and we know that real estate is expensive everywhere, and that includes the real estate inside your panel. Fortunately, myPNOZ was designed with this in mind, and we have produced a product to provide you with the maximum amount of safety in the minimum amount of space. Let's take a look at how this works. There are 3 required steps for getting myPNOZ constructed and ready to go. The first step is to create your custom design using the myPNOZ Creator tool. This tool allows you to lay out your project by defining what I/O and safety zones you require, while the creator decides which applicable components you will require based on the parameters that you've defined. Once you've finished designing your myPNOZ relay, send it over to us. Pilz will assemble your relay to your specifications, test it, validate it, and ship it over to you. The final step is to install it. That's it. It works right out of the box, just the way you intended, with no additional programming required and a lot less wiring to do. It's that easy. If you'd like to know more about how myPNOZ can optimize your next project, you can reach out to us at info@pilz.ca, and one of our sales representatives will contact you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you with your next project.